Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode we are going to learn how we can grow avocado plant at home in a very easy way. Okay, I brought the avocado fruit from the local market. I have brought just two fruits to give a try. Okay, just cut them off from the center. Don't cut too deep so that the seed will be affected. So remove the fruit and clean the seeds in a clean water. So after cleaning, remove the peel off from the seeds. It's very easy. With your fingernail you can just remove the cover of the seeds. So this is the seed. If you remove the peel off from the seed, it will be easier for the seed to grow. Take a glass of water, and this is the seed, and the base is the rooting part, and from the top the shoot will come. I will use toothpick like this. I'll use 3 toothpicks and prick it inside the seed like this and let it deep in the water and keep it in the sunlight. So here after 10 days you can see the base of the seed has started growing. You can see in the middle the root part has started growing. First, for every seeds the root grows first and then only the upper part comes. Here in same way the root has started growing. So after 17 days you can see the seed has just divided into 2 parts, but it is only attached from center with the growing portion. The basal portion is the rooting side, the upper side is the side from where the main stem will grow. Okay, you can see the root here, and the upper side has not developed that much, but it has started growing. So after 30 days or a month you can see the leaves are also growing and the shoot is also coming up. It's going good, and you can see the long root, one very distinct long root coming down. So the seed is growing very well inside this cup. I haven't done anything. I used to change water, and in alternate days. Here you can see the root is very fine, and it's doing really good inside this cup. The leaves are also visible there. I have planted that seed inside this potting soil. After 45 days you can see the shoot has started growing. I made a video on planting that seed into this potting soil, but my camera was damaged at that time, so I could not upload that video. My apologies for that. But here you can see the roots are very well grown up inside this cup, and you can see at the base of it also the roots are growing in a very healthier way, and the upper part is also quite good. After 50 days you can see the plant is really doing very good. I have just placed it on the side of my window. In the daytime it gets sunlight, and that is enough for it. After 55 days you can see the 2 well grown up shoots are distinctly visible here. Okay, the leaves are also very healthy. Number of roots has grown up. You can see the good network of the root at bottom. Now it's a time you can plant them in the ground, or you can just keep it for a few more days. After 4 months of time the plant will look like this, with a beautiful stem and beautiful green leaves. In 4 years of time the plant will grow this much tall, and it will start giving flowers, and you can have avocado fruit in your garden with this avocado plant. So few tips for the new growers are: select the fruit which are not too much old, otherwise they automatically start growing inside and start decaying, so the seed will not work. And start the project in the summertime, you will get the best result. If you want to make multiple branches, cut the main shoot off while it is growing. The peripheral shoots will start coming, and just keep as many shoots as you want. Don't overkeep in water once this root has started growing in the water. Once the root start growing, just place it in some potting soil and it will start growing in a very healthier way. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below.